Hey, Taylor with Axis Vehicles, back with another Transit Trail with a Sport Wagon layout. Comes in carbonized gray. This is a mid-roof. We'll do an exterior walk around first, and then we'll hop into the interior. So 2024 Transit Trail, carbonized gray. It comes stock with a 245 75-inch Goodyear Wrangler and their Sport Wagon wheel. Sport Wagons come with this running board on both sides. Front of the vehicle has the factory HID headlights with the Transit Trail front bumper. Up top, we've got a Fiamma F45S awning strapped to a Flatline Vanco Low Pro rack for the mid-roof. And then we have a fan up there as well from MaxxFan, the 7500K. Going around the side, you'll see that we don't have the factory Transit Trail running boards here. So with the Flatline Low Pro roof rack and their ladder, they don't have a ladder yet that'll work with the factory Transit Trail running boards. So we took that off. They're working on it right now. So Flatline should have a Transit Trail running board adaptable ladder here released probably in the next month or two. So shouldn't be that big of an issue coming up. AMA window. It's a slider and a screen. We've got a heater in this one, and there's the exhaust for the heater. It's an Eberspächer B4L. This is our shore power charge port and our portable solar port. There's also a portable solar up top as well. This van, we put lights, rigid light right there, as well as one on this side as well. So you have some scene lights. And going inside, both entries have bug wall screens. So you can have all the doors open with screens so the bugs don't get in. We've got a dual Lagun table setup for full picnic style seating. You can have all sorts of fun sitting up front here. This is our broad arrow seat we get from Wilderness Vans, and then we make a custom seat base and leg that mounts into the L-track. This seat can also be moved to the back L-track here as well if you want multiple configurations, or you can also opt for another seat back here if you need to haul some more people. That is the location of our heater. That's the Eberspächer heater. Goal zero there. We'll get to that in a second. Going up top, we got a bunch of dimmable lunacy lights mounted on the bamboo ceiling. Upper bunk with the RoamRest cushions, multi-density, super comfy. L-track package for mounting whatever the heck you want up top. There's our 7500K MaxxAir fan. Windows all come with van-made gear, insulated window coverings that are magnetic and foldable, and they are pretty sweet. They're full blackout, so when you're sleeping, you're not seeing any light. This is where we mount our heater controller. Easy access from the bed up here. This broad arrow seat from Wilderness Vans is a 3-person seat that folds into a bed as well. So it's roughly 52 inches wide, and when it's folded into a bed, it's about 74 inches long. All right, going around the back. Lots of room for storage. So we've got our full upper bunk panels here, made out of aluminum with extra durable powder coating. And our RoamRest pads on the bottom, nice non-slip. And this is the Goal Zero we integrate into the vehicles. So this will charge off of alternator power. It'll also charge via solar. So either solar on the side or solar on the roof permanently if you want to add that as well. It also will charge under shore power. And so what we love about the Goal Zero system is that it works really well for a simple build like we have with the Sport Wagon layouts. It can actually power all of your appliances that are inside the van, But in case you need to back up your home, wildfire, you know, snowstorm, ice storm, civil unrest, whatever, you can pull these out and you can power your house. And if you have portable solar, you can hook into, you know, say your refrigerator and your freezer, and solar will keep it all topped off. So you can ultimately have unlimited power for the things you really need when the power goes out. You can also move it to different vehicles. So if you have a fridge, freezer set up in here with the Goal Zero and you want to split up vehicles, you can easily throw it in the other vehicle if people are going in different spots. So everything is wrapped in our aluminum trim, powder coated as well. And then the rear bug wall on the back. And then our upholstered trim around all the doors. So all these transit trails are showing up with these holes. You can't really see it, but there's these holes in the doors here. In the past, we've ordered all our vans with solid doors with no holes, but all the new trails are showing up with these holes, which is kind of annoying. Awesome layout, awesome van. Super stoked on these customers. They're here to pick it up tomorrow. Can't wait to see the smile on their face when we show them their new van and they hit the road. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, 541-436-3833. We're here in Hood River, Oregon. You can also get us at info@axisvehicles.com. Thanks for stopping by.